Are you missing Stranger Things? Well, Netflix just released their new series, The Boros. Hi, this is Mowgli, and you're watching the World of Mowgli Reviews. Instead of kids in bikes in Indiana, The Boros follows a group of senior citizens navigating in the desert of New Mexico. So, ये काफ़ी दिलचस्प कहानी है. The show starts with Sam, who moves to the Boros after he loses his wife. At first, he hates it. He wants to isolate from the entire place and don't want to communicate with anyone, not even with his daughter and son-in-law. But finally, he made a friend. His name was Jack. So, after the mysterious death of Jack, Sam found out that there is something sinister going on beneath that place and it is not a paradise. So he teams up with a group of residents. Now there is twist ke baad twist. Now we see that the Boros isn't really a retirement community. So basically in 1949, a miner named Marcus Shaw and his wife discovered a creature whom they called Mother, and they found out that Mother's blood is actually can help someone gain eternal youth. Now there is a catch. If Mother's blood is eternal youth for humans, what is a survival thing for Mother? So basically, Mother survives on the brain fluid of the human. That is the reason Marcus Shaw and his wife built Boros, just because they want to lure all the elderly people, showing them the paradise and a retirement plan which is too good to be true. And at night, Mother's creatures would come and suck their brain fluid to keep Mother alive. Stranger Things की याद आ गई? मुझे भी. When I watched Boros, I really felt that nostalgia, but it is Stranger Things for the millennial मतलब boomer age के जो है उनके लिए. But to be very honest, I really thoroughly enjoyed this series. And I really love the twist which you will see at the end. The question is, who is Mother? Is she the real villain? Or is it the Shaws? Now I don't want to spoil the ending for you guys. But if you want to find out what it's like to be 70 and a hero, you should watch Boros on Netflix. And for more such videos, follow me.